Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you all my squishies. There's two homemade ones and one that I bought. First off, we have this one. It's Play-Doh in it. I used the balloon to cover it. And yes, like Play-Doh in. So nice. Look here, I'm making it a full circle. Circle, now I'm gonna squeeze. Now it's not a circle. Second of all, we got this one small, stretchy. You guys don't wanna hear what's in here. My chewed bubblegum. Also squishy. The third one is this. I bought this one. Supplement. So sticky. So yes, guys. Wanna see how I use for the phone? Right on the phone, bro. This one is not recommended to buy. If you like throw it in and it goes on the ceiling. Oh, it'll take 2 hours to get it off. And it gets so quickly dirty. But it's so cute. Bye.